Every time it rains now, the road is washing back here in the woods. And so one of the things that we're going to try to do is we're going to try to unclog one of the drains that is completely plugged with garbage. That's probably my main goal today. It did rain yesterday, and so it's kind of yucky back here. But can you see this huge pile of trash here? And really, can you see this? This is ridiculous. This is what we're going to work on. So the drain down in the woods is actually not plugged by garbage, it's plugged by detritus. So I may be removing some leaves along with some of the garbage. Check this out. The leaves down in this hole, this drain hole, are actually, they're frozen. Isn't that crazy? Crunchy. All right, due to the cold nature of the day, we are most likely going to be working on this drain hole another day. It's actually kind of frozen down in there. So we're going to get a few items today, and we'll say we got a good start. We'll be coming back later. That's what we'll be doing. Deep Forest Cleanup Crew number 1. How cold is it today?
Pretty cold.
How many degrees?
28.
28 degrees. Okay, thank you.